What up, YouTube? It's Chinobo and I'm back with another video. You already know. Today we're moving a little differently. For those who are not familiar or subscribed to my channel, I really only do sneaker reviews and sneaker unboxings. But today I got something a little different. I'm going to be reviewing my B.B.SIMON belt. Thought I'd bring something a little different to the channel to see how y'all rocking with it. Y'all comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell to be a part of the NoTi-GANG. Alright, let's get into this review. For all you guys that don't know exactly what this brand is, B.B.SIMON, based out of California, and this designer makes belts. This is the canister it comes in. Swarovski crystallized, got all the flags on there. Now this belt I have yet to wear. I'll buy stuff and don't wear it for a very long time until I feel like there's an outfit that needs to be rocked with it. Bubble wrap. I know you guys want me to pop it, but I'm not. Okay, fine. One, just one. Comes in this wrapping, as y'all can see. More bubble wrapping in the inside, nothing else came in it. I actually bought this online on the B.B.SIMON website, and I decided to get a belt that I rarely see other people have and things like that, because I'm a little weird when it comes to like fashion and swag. Boom. And here it is, y'all. My B.B.SIMON belt. See that belt buckle? Big chandelier, big drippy. I call it a chandelier. Fire, right? For those who are not familiar with this belt, these are Swarovski crystals. And the belt is made out of pony hair, pretty soft texture, with the Swarovski crystals all the way through the belt. I can't even front, y'all. This belt is heavier than a mug. Can't even imagine wearing this out all day. But I will when I feel like I want to wear it at some point. Right here you got your B.B.SIMON logo with the Swarovski crystals on here. And on the belt tip, same thing. Black. Now, when you get your joint, it's gonna be missing a screw right here. All the belts come like that, and that's supposed to have two. At first, I was like, yo, what happened to the screw? This is crazy. This is how you know you got an official B.B.SIMON belt. It gotta come with the tag. On the back of the tag, same thing. It'll be hanging on your belt. Official, it'll say B.B.SIMON on the back. Another way you could tell that your B.B.SIMON belt is official is by looking on the back. It should say B.B.SIMON and the serial number of your belt. This number indicates what type of belt you got. And I got a 42. This is not my waist size or my pant size. All Italian belts fit a little small, so the site advises you to go up at least one size, but I'm going to tell you that you should go up at least 2 sizes for a perfect fit. This belt is a little bit too big for me. I went up 3 sizes. Now it all depends on how you fit, like your jeans. Like, do you sag them or not? Sometimes when people get their pant size, it might be a perfect fit depending on how your body shape is, but I'm definitely recommending you go up 2 sizes. If you wear a 36, you should at least go up to a 40. Now, at this time, my pant size is a 36, so I should have went up to a 40, but I got a 42 because I wasn't sure if it was gonna be way too snug. I wanted to try it out. And this belt isn't too big, but I know that it's gonna be too big. Now, you don't wanna get your belt and that joint fitting mad snug, because when you order it, it might take up to 4 to 8 weeks for you to get it. If you're lucky, it won't take that long if they got some in the warehouse. But these are handmade, so they might not have them in stock and have to make them. So that's when it's gonna take like 4 to 8 weeks to ship to you. Another website where I caught my BBs from is Dude's Boutique. When you order from that website, it doesn't come in a BB canister, it comes in a dust bag. B.B.SIMON has a lot of selections of belts. This right here is like a thin belt. They come thicker than this, however, like that thicker. I didn't know that this belt was that thin. So when I got it, I was like, oh, okay. That wasn't what I was expecting, but man, when I put this joint on my waist, I ain't even go front. I was like, yo, this joint is hitting. Let me know what y'all think about this belt down below. Is this a designer that you will go with while shopping for your next belt? This has been a close-up review of the B.B.SIMON belt. If you guys have any questions about sizing or where to cop this belt or many other B.B.SIMON belts, comment down below. I have no problem with answering questions or just helping you guys out, period. Until next time,